The day the alarm clock gave up, Ramesh set his alarm for 6 a.m., confident he would wake up early and change his life. The alarm rang loudly, and Ramesh immediately slapped it like a mosquito and went back to sleep. At 6:05, the alarm rang again. This time, Ramesh opened one eye, whispered, "5 more minutes," and negotiated with it like it was a stubborn child. By 6:30, the alarm made a strange beep-beep sigh sound and stopped forever. Ramesh finally woke up at 9:47 a.m., looked at the clock and shouted, "Why didn't you wake me up?" The alarm clock, now silent, lay on the table like a retired hero thinking, "I tried, you didn't listen." Ramesh nodded respectfully and said, "Fair enough." Then he went back to sleep.